In this session, let us learn about do, double, else, enum, extends keywords. Java do keyword. The do keyword is used together with while to create a do while loop. The while loop loops through a block of code as long as specified condition is true. The do or while loop is a variant of the while loop. This loop will execute the code block once before checking if the condition is true. Then it will repeat the loop as long as the condition is true. Note, do not forget to increase the variable used in the condition, otherwise the loop will never end. See the example. The following loop will always be executed at least once, even if the condition is false, because the code block is executed before the condition is tested. See the example. See, if we write and execute this code using do keyword, see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 printed. Java double keyword. The double keyword is a data type that can store fractional numbers from 1.7e minus 3008 to 1.7e plus 308. Note that you should end the value with a d. See, if we write and execute this code, the result printed this 19.99. Java else keyword. The else statement specifies a block of Java code to be executed if a condition is false in an if statement. Java has the following condition statements. Use if to specify a block of code to be executed if a specified condition is true. Use else to specify a block of code to be executed if the same condition is false. Use else if to specify a new condition to test if the first condition is false. Use switch to specify many alternative blocks or code to be executed. See the example. Use the else statement to specify a block of code to be executed if the condition is false. See, if we write and executing this code, the result returns this. See, good evening. See another example. Use the else if statement to specify a new condition if the first condition is false. See, if we write and execute this code, the output result returns this. Good evening. Java enum keyword. The enum keyword declares a enumerated unchangeable type. An enum is a special class that represents a group of constants, unchangeable variables like final variables. To create an enum, use the enum keyword instead of class or interface and separate the constants with a comma. Note that they should be in uppercase letters. Difference between enums and classes. An enum can, just like a class, have attributes and methods. The only difference is that enum constants are public, static and final. Unchangeable, cannot be overridden. An enum cannot be used to create objects and it cannot extend other classes, but it can implement interfaces. Use enums when you have values that you know are not going to change, like month, days, colors, deck of cards, etc. See the example. Create an enum with constants, unchangeable variables. See, if we write and execute this code, you can access enum constants with the dot syntax level myvar is equal level medium. See, the output result printed this medium. Java extends keyword. The extends keyword extends a class, indicates that a class is inherited from another class. In Java, it is possible to inherit attributes and methods from one class to another. We group the inheritance of concept into two categories. Subclass child, the class that inherits from another class. Superclass parents, that class being inherited from. To inherit from a class, use the extends keyword. The car class subclass inherits the attributes and methods from the vehicle class superclass. Vehicle attribute, vehicle method, car attribute, create mycar object, call the honk method from the vehicle class on the mycar object, display the value of the brand attribute from the vehicle class and value of the mode name from the car class. See, if we write and execute this code, the output result returns this Tut Tut Tata Mahindra. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 56. Do, double, else, enum, extends keywords. In next video, let us learn about other keyword topics: final, float, for, if keywords. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.